Stop scrolling. If your Instagram Reels look blurry or stuck at low views, Instagram is silently killing your reach. And no, it's not your phone, not your editing app, and not shadow ban. There is a hidden Instagram setting that destroys video quality before your reel is even posted. Most creators never touch this and wonder why their reach is dead. This affects watch time, clarity, and how Instagram ranks your reel. Low quality equals low reach. Simple. Let me show you the exact setting. Do this before your next post. Open Instagram. Go to your profile. Tap the three lines on the top right. Now open Settings. Scroll and tap Data Usage and Media Quality. Turn on Upload at highest quality and make sure Data Saver is turned off. This tells Instagram to upload your reels in full quality. Without this, Instagram compresses your video and kills clarity. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.